today is hydrocarbons. But what are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are compounds composed of carbon and hydrogen. They are the principal constituents of petroleum and natural gas. Now let's see the types of hydrocarbons. There are two types of hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are held together by a single bond are called saturated hydrocarbons. They are also known as alkanes. Their general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Saturated hydrocarbons are methane, propane and ethane. Now let's see unsaturated hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are held together by double or triple bonds are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. They are of two types, alkenes and alkynes. Now let's see what is alkenes and alkynes. Alkenes are hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are connected by at least one double bond. Their general formula is CnH2n. The alkenes are propene, ethene and butene. Now let's see what are alkynes. Alkynes are hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are connected by at least one triple bond. Their general formula is CnH2n minus 2. They are propyne, ethyne and butane. Now let's see the molecular representation of alkanes. Methane. Methane has one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. Ethane. Ethane has 2 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Propane. Propane has 3 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. Now let's see the molecular representation of alkenes. Ethene. Ethene has 2 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms. Propene. Propene has 3 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Butene. Butene has 4 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. Now let's see the molecular representation of alkynes. Ethyne. Ethyne has 2 carbon atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms. Propyne. Propyne has 3 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms. Butane. Butane has 4 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Now let's review the concepts of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are of two types, saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are also known as alkanes. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are of two types, alkenes and alkynes. Alkanes are also of three types, methane, propane and ethane. Alkenes are two of three types, propene, ethene and butene. Alkynes are also of three types, propyne, ethyne and butane. This is all for today.